Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. Today I'm going to show you how I make my chili sweet and sour sauce. Alright, so let's get started. Here I have some water, some garlic, hot peppers, red bell pepper, salt to taste, and I also have some cornstarch. And don't you forget to check the description box below. As I keep working, I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going to do the prep. Now place them into a blender with some water and just let it go for 3 seconds. Now it's liquefied. It's so quick, guys. Look at this. Now I'm adding some granulated sugar into a pan. I'm also adding some salt, and the sugar is for sweetness. Here I'm also adding the puree with the rest of the water that I had there, just making sure that I get all that pepper and garlic out from that container. Over high heat, guys, just give it a good stir so that the sugar can be dissolved. I'm also adding some white vinegar, and this is for the sourness. Okay, don't you worry, I am making a sweet and sour salt. While that is on the heat, I'm mixing some cornstarch, and then I'll go right over and continue stirring. And once it starts to boil, and why I am boiling it for 5 minutes is because I want the chili and the garlic to be well cooked. So it's very thin at this stage, and now I just add the cornstarch mixture, and this is to make the sauce a little thicker. Now guys, I love to see that red color in the sauce, and this is optional. So here I just add a few drops of red coloring, and you can leave it out. Like I said, it's optional. You don't have to put it if you don't want it. That's all right. Anyhow, here I have a container with some water and a mason jar, and I'm going to pour this mixture into the mason jar and let it cool. This is the consistency that I'm looking for with the cornstarch. The sauce gets a little thicker, but then as it gets colder, it's gonna be even thicker, and this is gonna be just good enough for your anything that you want to use it for. So I leave it here to cool, and once it's cool, it's time to put that cover onto that bottle there, and then just place it in the refrigerator. But guys, I'm not putting this into the refrigerator because I have things to do with it. Okay, I'm just showing you how you can store it. All right, so there's other stuff to be done. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Here I have 2 pieces of chicken breast. I did wash and clean them thoroughly, and I'm cutting them up into bite-sized pieces. Just like so. Now I'm going to place them into this dish. I'm adding some salt, some mixed seasoning, also some cubes, and just mix it well, making sure that pieces of chickens are well covered with the seasoning. Here I'm adding some cornstarch and also some flour. and give this a good mix, making sure that all the pieces of chicken is well coated. Over high heat, I have some oil, and once the oil gets hot, I'm going to place the chicken to fry on one side each for 2 minutes. One side each for 2 minutes? Now after turning my chicken, it fried on the other side for 2 minutes also, and I'm placing them on a paper towel on my plate, and just so that I will get the excess oil out. Now I'm placing them into this dish, and this is my sauce that I am using over my chicken. And guys, look at this sauce. It's thick, it's nice, it's spicy. Now I have to get every drop of that sauce onto my chicken. I'm now adding some sesame seeds, and you can subtract this if you don't want. Here I'm serving my chili sweet and sour chicken with some coconut rice and some tomatoes and cucumber, and this is my Sunday lunch, guys. Please do enjoy. Feel free to leave a comment, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please press that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. I think I said this before. I can't remember. But if I do, this is just the second time that you'll be hearing it. Guys, and do enjoy.